Hello, welcome back to Chef Ramy Kitchen. Today I bring for you delicious chicken recipe with sun-dried tomato, fresh herbs and cream, Parmesan cheese. It's so delicious. Chicken Milano Tosca. First you need a leg of chicken. Season with salt, pepper, cayenne pepper and olive oil. Marinate well. Marinade should be everywhere. Add some flour, normal flour. Just toast it. Take the pan and medium heat with olive oil. The leg grill first in open side. You must grill both sides till the golden brown color. A little bit of skin must be crispy. I'm going to take out this and put it 5 minutes in the back oven. So same pan with garlic chop, some fresh oregano, fresh thyme. This is quite simple recipe, and some sun-dried tomato. Cut it in small pieces and add into the pan. Now I'm taking one dry white wine. You can use a delicious white wine. Add into the pan some chicken stock, fresh cream. Cook about 2 minutes. Then add some Parmesan cheese to give more flavor and the thickness. So I'm going to season some salt and pepper. Same time I take some basil of more flavor into the dish. So my chicken, after 5 minutes, I add again into the pan with more sauce. That looks already so good. Then back to the oven again about 10 to 12 minutes until cook. So after that, so creamy, flavorful, your chicken is ready. Thank you for watching. Hope see you next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Enjoy.